Welcome. This tutorial video will indicate how to complete a written learning update in MyEdBC for a single term class. The sections of this video will include logging into MyEd, choosing the correct school, then entering and posting a learning update, and finally entering and posting a final learning update. To log into MyEd, you will need your district-provided MyEducation BC username and password. Once you have logged in, please be sure you select the correct school, as you may be enrolled in multiple schools. Once you have selected your school, simply click OK, and on your home screen, you will see a list of all of your teacher classes within that school. A small computer icon underneath the grades column will allow access to be able to input a student progress report for any given course. To enter and post a learning update, simply click on the computer icon. This will bring you to the scores page. It is from this page that all learning updates shall be reported. Prior to inputting any learning reports, please be sure that your grade columns are always set to post columns term and your term is always set to all. Additionally, if you do not see your percent complete or completion date columns on this screen, please be sure to speak to office staff to have them added. To enter a learning update, you may start at the Q1 grade column. For grade 10 through 12 courses, enter a percent grade. For grade 9 courses, enter a proficiency scale grade according to the 3-letter codes as follows. Secondly, you will need to enter a work habit into the Q1WH column. Lastly, to enter a comment, you will need to click on the paper and pencil icon under the Q1 column. This will pull up a new prompt in which you can enter your comments. You may type your comment directly into this newly opened comment box. When providing comments for a single term course in MyEdBC, always be sure to provide a date with each entry. You may also choose to copy and paste any canned comments that you have available on another application. To do so, open the application with your comment, highlight all of the text you would like to copy, and hold down Ctrl and C to copy. Once you've done so, return back to MyEdBC into your comment box and simply hold down Ctrl and V to paste. For single term courses, please be sure that there are no comments in relation to attendance. Once complete, you may hit the Save and Next button to move on to the next student, or simply hit the Save button to close this window altogether. You will notice that there are blue lines on the comment icon that indicate that this task has been completed. Lastly, prior to posting, it is important to indicate the student's current progress. To do so, enter a percent complete in the second to last column here. MyEdBC also provides autofill capabilities. To do so, simply click on a cell and hold down Ctrl D. You will notice that all of the columns are saving in progress by means of the yellow within each cell. You may use this function on any of the columns to autofill. Once all data is entered, the learning update must be posted. To do so, click on the Post Grades button. A new window will open in which you will be prompted to select the term. Upon first posting, leave the term as indicated and click OK. It will ask if you would like to overwrite the current transcript. Please select Yes. If you have any withdrawn students, it will also ask if you would like to include them in this post. Always be sure to click No upon this prompt. The posting function can sometimes require quite a bit of data, so please provide ample time to allow this window to close on its own. For single term courses, you must post grades a second time. Once again, hit the Post Grades button, Allow the window to open, and this time tick the box that says Post Course Dates. You will once again be prompted to choose if you would like to overwrite prior data. Please choose Yes once more and allow ample time for this window to close on its own so all data may be saved accordingly. To enter and post a final learning update in MayaBC, be sure to make any changes required in the Q1 grade and Q1 WH columns. For single term courses, be sure to enter new comments without deleting old comments. Please add spaces so that the new comment may be added above, once again indicating the date of the column. Should you choose to once again copy and paste as in previous updates, you may do so here. Again, be sure to save this column prior to posting. You will also need to indicate a final grade. This must match the Q1 grade, whether percentage or proficiency scale. The percent complete should now be updated to 100, and a completion date will need to be added by clicking on the calendar icon and choosing the corresponding date. As in previous learning updates, you will need to post grades twice for a single term course. Please click on Post Grades. Be sure to leave the grade term as term and click OK. You will be asked if you would like to override all previous data. Please say yes. It is imperative when prompted once again if you would like to include withdrawn students to click no. Once again, when you post grades a second time, please be sure to tick on the box that says Post Course Dates. It's repetitive, but once again, you'll be asked if you would like to overwrite all previous data. Please be sure to say yes and provide ample time for this window to close on its own so all data can be saved. Please make sure that you are following the intent of the SD62 reporting reference card, also in the teacher handbook. If you anticipate assigning an I for in-progress status, please be sure that parent and students are provided with an opportunity to address incomplete work prior to the report card being issued. Should you have any further questions in regards to this process, please speak to the office staff or administration at your school.